lumapat pa po ito mamaya pa.
I've been waiting, barely breathing, in the space you used to fill. If you feel me like I feel you, then this
Papariban po kami.
whole
Ayan yung aking mga kasama. Ayan.
Just
Hoy! Kaway-kaway.
being
Ayan yung magre-ribbon namin. Kita ka?
maybe love just learns to wait.
Ayan, nagpapariban pero walang pang